Okay, let's take a quick look at your store dashboard. So this is the mission control for your store. In here, you can have a look at your traffic and your clicks. You can control what products are in your store, add new articles, change content, change design, all of that kind of stuff. Everything is inside this dashboard. So let's take a look at the links at the top first. These will appear all across your dashboard. You can quickly click here to view your store, which will open in a new tab. And it's a good way just to quickly get into your store. From here you can search, so you can search for a specific product like a PlayStation game that you might have in the store. In this case, under products, and we also have an article. So it's a quick and fast way to find things in your dashboard. If you have any notifications, they will appear here. You'll see a little red notification on that bell, and this will be things like messages that you've received, or a new product has been imported, or an affiliate link has been clicked, something like that. From here, you can log out. You can also have quick links to different things related to your account, and you can change to a dark theme or a light theme if you prefer. So let's take a look at the left-hand side. Here is the main menu for all the different sections in the store. There are a lot of links, but don't feel overwhelmed. We'll go through these step by step, and there's always help along the way, which I will show you also. First, let's take a look at the dashboard. This is an overview of your store, and we have the visitors, we have things like traffic, recent visitors, and some links down here to some key AI tools. The first thing I want to show you is a launch plan. If you are just starting with your store, you're not sure what to do next, click into here, follow the launch plan. It's also accessible from the left-hand side here, and this will give you a step-by-step of what to do next. Watch a video this is actually for this video, and open the help center and set a niche for your store. You can take each one step at a time. When you've finished, you can click done. Now, one thing I want to show you as well in your dashboard is you will see this everywhere, a guide. So if you're unsure about what the launch plan is, click this guide. It will open straight away and tell you more. This will apply to every page in your store. Look for this guide if you're uncertain about where you are or what you need to do or what this is for. Okay, so what else have we got in this left-hand menu? We have the help center. In here, you have different options for getting help, including contacting us and accessing the guide so you can learn more, and also the Facebook group, the mastermind, where you can ask other members questions. We have report a bug, which is for this new version. Don't worry about that just yet. We have store health, we have AI chips, so you can see more about AI chips. And these are the kind of quick links that you might want to use a bit more often. Now we get into the store category. So in here is where you can change and view everything to do with your store. First, we have products. When I click into products, we will see a few different options and a few different sections within products. We have products themselves, categories, populators. We have some AI tools down here. I'm not going to go into too much detail on every section, but this is where you can manage things to do with your products, like what category they are in. You can add new products, you can delete products, and you can change the content. Let's take a quick look at editing a specific product so you can get a feel for how to change things in your store. Once you click in, you have all these different boxes where you can change the text as much as you want. And you can also ask the AI to recreate this text for you. So just click that button. That text will now change magically to something completely new and unique. You can do that any way you see this icon. One other thing to mention, look out for this little blue information icon. From here, you can find out more about what this is. For example, the link title, what is that? Hover over the information. The link title is used to link to the product from other areas of your store. So this is a shorter version of the title used in areas of your store where it's going to link to the product itself. And yeah, what else? Okay, so these tabs, click on the tabs to get to different sections of the product. You can change images, you can change things to do with the SEO, and so on. There are more guides that go into more detail on this, so I'm just giving you an overview of the admin area at this time. Down here, you have related things to this product. So this is the number of affiliate clicks. They will be listed here, the categories that this product belongs to, the offers, activity log, and so on. So that's products. We have the same for articles. Also, if you see this, it means that you haven't saved anything you've changed on that page. So if you see that, you usually want to click cancel and then you want to click save. That will save any changes you have made. Okay, clicking into articles, let's take a look at what's going on in here. The same as products, we have categories, we have articles, we have some AI tools, we have some shortcuts up here with some help as you hover over. Again, we have this guide button that I was talking about before. So if you're unsure about articles, it goes into much more detail in here so you can learn and follow through. Okay, we can also, before we move on any further, we can also shrink this left-hand menu if you prefer, so you can see a bit more of what's going on the page. Click again to open it up. Pages is about the main pages in your store, like the home page. Again, if you click into that, you'll be able to edit the content and different options. Users that have registered on your store will appear in here, along with any messages they have sent. Analytics is about what is going on in your store in terms of people visiting, what they're doing, what links they are clicking, what pages they are visiting. Again, we have a guide, we have a lot more information on this separately. Design is where you can change the look of your store. So as a quick example, this color scheme, you can click to choose a new one, change all the colors in your store to make it look a bit different. You have various other options for logos, icons, and different settings. Inside text is where you will change any of the text in your store that appears in different places. For example, this top bar text, if I go into my store, it appears at the very top of the store on every page here. So it says explore the world of PlayStation. That is where you will change this, and you have many other different bits of text that you can change if you wish. Tools are some handy things that will help you, for example, importing and exporting, maybe cleaning up your store a bit, checking the images are working okay, things like that. You have various settings for your store. The last section in this store section, and that's to do with the name of the store niche. You also have things like the countries that are enabled for the store, and you have various things you can dig into here. Again, you can see we have guides, not just for the main page, but we have guides for specific sections. For example, this advanced mode, and a guide for this custom script section. I should mention that you don't have to know everything about these different options and these different sections of your store. You can learn it as you go along. This is just an overview to show you where and what is available. You have affiliate settings here as well. We have guides on how to set up your Amazon account and your affiliates and so on. In the traffic section, we have various things that will help you get traffic to your store. The keyword research is a great tool. It will show you what kind of articles to create, what kind of products to find, and so on. Search engines will give you some tools related to indexing your store, getting all of your pages in with an XML sitemap. It will show you different things, including rich results, which help Google to pick out key information from your products and your store. Social media is where you'll add your accounts, for example, your Facebook page, your X account, your Instagram account. You can add all the links in here. Content marketing is about spreading the content on your store, the articles and the products, into different areas. We have guides on this, on how to use all this stuff. Sales will show you exactly what's going on in your store in terms of people clicking affiliate links, clicking to check out of your store. And also the commission section will show you how to withdraw your commissions when you make sales from the different places you have enabled. So this section will just give you nice, easy links to log into your eBay account, your Amazon account, and withdraw the money. We also have guides here on how to do that and so on. Okay, and we have the final two links to your main account and upgrades in your store. And that's about it. Remember as well, you can click down here anytime to get help. This will take you to our help desk. You can click here to email us. You can click here to get AI answers, which I recommend because it's a nice, fast, easy way to get an answer. And if you don't get an answer, you quickly get put through to us, or you can search the guides in the knowledge base directly. That's always here, down here, as well as this button, and as well as the information that I've shown you around. So I hope that gives you a good overview of your store dashboard. If you want to go deeper on any of those features, look at the other guides and look at the other videos. And remember, you don't have to know and understand all of this, just to be aware that you have these options. And yeah, if you're stuck, if you're feeling a little bit lost, make sure you go through the launch plan. And if you're still stuck, reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. Okay, take care.